Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson I want to teach you how to play the chord C over E, C major over E. So let's get started. Okay, this is a sound of C major over E. This chord's not used often, but sometimes it does need to be played. It's basically the C major chord, but you're also allowing the top, the E string to ring out. Okay, to play C major over E, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, skip a string, place finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then place finger number 3 on the 5th string of the 3rd fret. So it's a little bit of a stretch. So to play C major, you would not strum the top E string here, just strings 5 on down. But in this case, you want this E string to ring out. So you'll strum all strings. C major over E, okay? And you'll see this chord shown as a C/E. Okay, again, to play C over E, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, skip a string, place finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 5th string of the 3rd fret, strum all strings. C major over E, C/E. Okay, if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and give me the thumbs up. I would appreciate it very much. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscriptions so I can easily be found. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. Have a great day. God bless you.